Drawer organizer storage solutions for small homes reclaim usable kitchen space and cut the time you spend digging through messy drawers. Start by measuring the interior dimensions of each drawer and note any obstructions like tracks or hinges so you can choose organizers that fit snugly. Use adjustable bamboo dividers to create custom compartments for utensils and gadgets. Push the dividers into place and trim excess with a fine saw if needed, or choose models that slide and lock for tool-free resizing. For cutlery, select tiered cutlery inserts that separate forks, spoons, and specialty tools by height so everything is visible at a glance and does not pile on top of each other. Stackable utensil trays work well for shallow drawers because you can double capacity without deepening the drawer. Place frequently used items on the top tier and seasonal tools below. For knives in a drawer, opt for a slim vertical knife block designed for horizontal drawers so blades sit upright and are protected while remaining easy to grab. Ensure the block is anchored or has non-slip feet to prevent shifting. Finally, use flat drawer inserts for lids and plastic wrap rolls. Arrange lids by diameter in slotted sections and mount a small tension rod or adhesive cutter strip to keep wraps tidy and accessible. People often buy organizers that are the wrong size, which leaves wasted space or causes items to shift, so always measure twice and choose adjustable or modular pieces that can be altered to fit. Another common issue is mixing heavy items with lightweight organizers, which causes warping or sliding. Solve that by using denser materials like bamboo or adding non-slip liners and by dedicating a drawer to heavier tools. A third problem is poor maintenance, where crumbs and grease accumulate and make pullouts sticky. Prevent this by lining drawers with washable liners, scheduling a quick wipe every 2 weeks, and removing inserts monthly for a deeper clean. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical project ideas for kitchen organization that relate directly to drawer storage solutions. We also host a discussion community where our users exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos so both homeowners and contractors can find inspiration and work.